Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 9 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. Hello, we will now show you the TWIN BUSCH tire changer X-610. The X-610 is the beginner's model of the TWIN BUSCH tire changers. It has a side swing mounting head and a self-centering 4-clamping jaw system. The lateral bead braking cylinder produces a force of up to 2.5 tons. And the interior of the TWX-610 is made of durable and high-quality stainless steel components. We will now show you how to disassemble a wheel with alloy rim using the TWX-610. The first step for the disassembly is letting out all the air from the tire. For that, we completely remove the valve core. The tire is loosened from the rim with the bead breaker. Here we see how the bead breaker pushes the tire bead over the hump. The tire is now loose on the rim. Now the rim will be held on the turntable by the clamping jaws. The mounting head is brought into position and aligned precisely. The tire bead will now be levered over the mounting head. Rotate the turntable shortly and the upper tire bead is free. Repeat these steps for the lower bead. Lever over the mounting head. A short turn. And done. We will now perform the reversed process, mounting the tire on the rim. The mounting paste is particularly important for mounting tires. If the tire bead is not greased carefully, it will not be able to slide easily over the mounting head and the flange, and into the rim well. With the correct placement and a short turn, the first bead is back on the rim. The second bead is slightly more demanding. The included tire bead pressing tool helps us to slide the bead into the rim well. The beads can now be pushed over the humps of the rim with the integrated tire inflator. Finally, mount the valve core again. And fill the tire with the desired pressure. The TWX-610 can be controlled very precisely. The turntable always works clockwise during the assembly and disassembly. but it can be turned in the opposite direction for corrections. The clamping jaws can be moved step by step to be positioned on the rim. The delivery includes a tire mounting iron, a tire bead pressing tool, 2 rim edge protectors, 4 plastic protectors for the clamping jaws, and a bag of plastic gliders for the mounting head. Also note our extensive range of accessories and consumables.